Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you my review on the SimplyNam liquid lipsticks. SimplyNam is the brand by Namrata Soni. If you don't know who Namrata Soni is, she is a renowned Bollywood celebrity makeup artist. So I recently came across this brand about a month ago through Instagram. I first saw the swatches of the liquid lipsticks on Instagram, the liquid lipsticks by SimplyNam, and the formula, the product looked really promising. So since then I really wanted to try out, especially the liquid lipsticks. There are a few products other than these available on the SimplyNam website as well. So first we are gonna jump right into the swatches of these three liquid lipsticks by SimplyNam. Then I'm gonna share with you what these products claim, and finally I'm gonna share with you my review and my thoughts on these liquid lipsticks. So if you guys want to know all about it, then continue watching.
The first shade is the SimplyNam Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tanya, which is a coral rose shade, suitable for all Indian skin tones. If you are a fan of peachy rosy shades, you will definitely love it. The SimplyNam Ultra Matte Liquid Lipsticks are smudge proof, lightweight, full coverage and super hydrating on the lips. They give you a stunning look to your overall makeup. The second one is the SimplyNam Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Malavika, which is a spicy brown and also my favorite. The SimplyNam Ultra Soft Comfort Wear Matte Lipstick gives your lips a semi-matte velvet smooth look with a soft finish that hydrates and doesn't stick. The last one is the SimplyNam Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Aarti. Aarti is a burgundy lipstick and is a neutral shade, meaning it is suitable for both warm and cool undertone. And this lipstick was made for whoever, whenever and wherever. Such a pretty shade this one is. Also, not only these lipsticks sit beautifully on the lips, but the removal of these shades were super easy as well.
So the SimplyNam liquid lipsticks are hydrating and cruelty free, and they have a velvety smooth finish, and they swatch like feather on the lips. So these three new shades, Aarti, Tanya and Malvika, just like the rest of the shades from the range, have also been curated keeping in mind Indian skin tone, Indian climate, long working hours and social lifestyle. So the liquid lipsticks by SimplyNam are smudge proof and comfortable, and they feel like you are wearing nothing on your lips, but your lips are high on hydration. And these liquid lipsticks prevent your lips from getting dry or flaky when reapplied after some interval. Finally, coming to my thoughts on the range. Firstly, I'd like to mention that I'm a big time fan of the formula of the liquid lipsticks by SimplyNam, because my lips are naturally on the drier side, so something that feels like nothing on the lips but also keeps my lips hydrated round the clock is a formula that I would definitely go back to. And also the shades from the range are really versatile, perfect for everyday wear, and the formula also has a really nice and strong color payoff. So I think that sums up everything that you can ask for in a liquid lipstick. So I give this range a 10 out of 10, and I think you will do the same if you are a fan of liquid lipstick. So these newly added SimplyNam Ultra Matte Liquid lipsticks are priced at $12.99 each, and these are available on simplynam.com, Amazon, Tata Click, Kind Life and Sephora, both in store and website. And I'll leave the links, the purchase links, in the description box down below, and I highly do recommend you guys to try out the SimplyNam Ultra Matte Liquid lipsticks. So that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, then definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you have already tried out any product or any of these liquid lipsticks by SimplyNam, or if you would like to try out after watching this video. And I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.